We are got England now though. You see, that song here, me I go review now. It kinda, from me see the cover, problem in that song here. Cause they send me the cover art. Me I go read the cover art for you. It's not every selector can do that because them cannot read. But thanks to the Almighty and thanks to Doreen and Scorpion, me can read. See? The cover here now. The cover say Queenie this. And me see one woman in a middle with one book, a cry. Me see one man over a corner and a see there? Can't go that thing a joke. Me show you. See there? Me see knife up there so. Me see that little man in a corner, so I don't know if I do with that. Me see one bees over there, so me see one sharp knife. And the artist named Sexy Danger. And the song named Queenie and Mad Out. So me nervous, you know. A big bounce rhythm. Yo, D3F. Yo, me nervous. People wanna feel me if you review it. Cause me kinda nervous, you know. Me wanna say review it or don't review it. Cause me nervous, you know. You know me not luck with them people already, you know. And me can't bother for Queenie get up and love me! Me can't bother. Me can't bother with it. Me can't bother with it. Me can't bother with it. Me afraid. Want to say review it? Turkey man say review it here. So let me review this. That song here is by Sexy Danger from England. And she said this name Queenie this. Hold on. Me like the intro. Shade, you see you cut Jesus slippers. Me like the intro. The girl said, you make your business our business, so we in a business. So that means nobody can blame me. Because Queenie put out her business out there good, very good. Me like she a mad over the way. No, why would that? Trouble! Make we listen again! Trouble! Yeah. Trouble! Queenie, I'm a day. My jump by another door. Pumping a drop out piece of flesh, jump out with that. Wait, me listen back that part. Me don't want to say nothing. I want to make sure me hear right what she has said. Well on. Maybe more listen good. Yeah, your money in a bank account, the boy. Something goes on. Nobody from England there. Anybody there from England, if you can confirm any of the lyrics, you have to say, it goes so. See? You remember when Killer used to perform here? It goes so. Yeah, me not start it back from the top. Me start it from right or so. Move on my way. She a mad over the way. And she a mad. No, why would I ever make me mad? Your money in a bank account, the white rubber. That be a stripper. In my back, just how it is. Hold on. Thump in her face, all piece of flesh dropper. So when me see Queenie in her news with plaster on her face, me not hear she say how obsessed she have. So I do we thump her and bust her face? What the blood? No. She married to yourself. It's a man that is like you're married to a belt. Yeah. Bumbo clad. So then call all the 2023 dancehall queen name. Amari, they tell us that you're married to yourself. A man that is like you're married to a belt. Well, wait. No danger. Sexy. Bumbo clad. Yo, this remind me when I listen to Coyote song. And lyrics are chop. Bumbo. But she a killed. think she a defend Dewey. Well. But me think Danger a defend Dewey, you know. She a clock the
Boom, when in this so we need a new queen, that.
Yo, let me listen.
The tongue in a Dewey Bvtty and then come.
Oh, my rascal. Well, something really goes up. People, if I tune a type, it goes up. Something really goes up. Say, Queenie play with Dewey Bvtty. Grammy Kid, people are be a bad selector upon the life today. Grammy Kid, bigger. People, wanna tell me the truth. Somebody say, go so well on there. Or wanna know say, Queenie player Dewey Bvtty. Oh, too much people say, go and I say, yes. I can this not safe. Or you know say, a true. Listen, you don't have anything to do. Keisha Jaguar, may I do my review show about the song say, she talk it? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? One not try to tell me say, Queenie said she used fear tongue put in a Dewey Bvtty. Everybody has say yes. She got live. Wanna know my views for any man will make girl play them bottom. You know you're a batty boy, right? Me not care if a batty what you get or batty scratch or me not know where you get. But you know say from you make woman play with your bottom, it mean you like it, get your bottom play with. So you know say, promoters, listen to me. Anyhow, wanna book me for a show. And when me reach I dance, do it upon the dance, as no host and me leaving. I mean I run back no money. Any man. You hear that when get batty wash and them something there and girl put ice in them out and blowing them batty. Yeah, batty boy. You feel. Yo, let me listen to you say something. Come here get angry now. No. I'll flip a name drop in a mixed rascal. Parta, when Sexy Danger deliver, you know, she kind of sound like K Queens. She have a K Queen sound. But she very talented. Me just gonna say this. Separate and apart from reviewing the song. Danger, the song bad. The song full of lyrics. The song remind me of when I listen to Coyote War song day before yesterday. Queenie, I want to know, screenshot this and screen record it and go show Queenie. Queenie, you're a disgrace. You don't have to like FOOTA hype, but I am the one who is going to tell you the truth. You're a disgrace as a female. You're a disgrace as a mother. and you're a disgrace as a grandmother. You need to go sit your fuck ass down somewhere, relax and wait for yourself and find it. I don't know how you're picking them. Live with you behaving the way how you behave. I don't know how your grandpicking them look upon you as a grandmother. You are a disgrace. And every female will say them rate Queenie, it make me question on no character. It make me question on no credibility. It make me question on carry yourself, on self-esteem. Because you cannot rate somebody who is this disgraceful and disgusting and horrible as a female first of all. Zine, if you have no self-dignity, no self-respect, no self... Or you expect man to rate you? Or you expect man to rate you? Oh, me not understand. So you, as a grandmother, me not believe say she come out and say she lick out Dewey Bvtty. Me hear she talk some other thing, but that just worse. If I'm my mother, God forgive me, I would have slapped the shit out of her and carry her in add who to life. Yo, my block you from my page. Add who to live. You see one dramatic page over here, sir? Add wish Queenie to wish live. Me never want Queenie see me and call to me. Not even say nothing to me. Queenie is a disgrace. I want to you idiot. Hey boy, how you feel like? You think I want rubbish pan live over here, sir? A straight nation pages, yeah. Member good. Me not run down the likes and the bag of followers, me not care. I don't know one away over here with a business. I don't know one people over here in a business. I want to hear my youth or add your...
God say yes, God will bless it. Sunday and Bones TV. Tune into Sunday and Bones TV for the latest updates throughout the world. Sunday and Bones TV, crazy, never leave it. The Queen is here. Mwah!